of the 2020 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, daytime running lights, tire pressure monitoring system, front license plate bracket, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, power steering. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.